Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on one SQL entry question. The question is here, how many ways to remove first letter of a string in SQL Server? String functions are there to get the output. So we will discuss one by one. So first one you need to discuss about the substring. Substring stuff right, left and replace len. So by using these many string functions, we can remove the first letter of a string in SQL Server. So stuff, what stuff will do? Stuff will take four arguments. First one is string, second one is starting position, and third one is length, and fourth one is new string. New string. Now, so here my string is this is my string. MySQL is my string. So I want to get the output like this. So this is my original string. I want to remove the first letter from the string, that is M. So that you will get the output in this way. So there are four methods to use this to get the output. So first by using the stuff function. So stuff will string starting position, length and space. Now I am applying the select stuff. So as per the argument, first one is string. String I am giving MySQL. Okay. So next one starting position. Starting position I am taking first one. So length I am taking one. So next replacing new string I am taking just empty space. As a result, see here, I want to remove the first letter from the string by using stuff function. This is for stuff function. Next, substring. So substring take three arguments. First one is string, and second one is starting position, and third one is length. Okay. So by using substring also, you can remove the first letter from first letter of the string. Select substring. So I am taking MySQL as a string. So here it will extract the a part of the string. So I am taking second position. My second argument in the substring is the starting position. I want to get the second position onwards. That means from y onwards I want to get. So next comma. So len will take len I am giving same string. Len will take one argument as result. So if you execute this one, MySQL. So both stuff and substring function, you get the same thing. Okay. This is by using the substring. So next function I am taking here as write. So what write will do? Write will take right side of the string. Write will take two arguments. First one is string, second one is number. Okay. Now I am using write function to extract to remove the first letter of the string. Select write. So here I am taking my string is same MySQL. So this is as per syntax first string I am giving number. So instead of number I am taking len of string. Len of string. So So if you want to remove the one, -1, you just put -1 MySQL. This is the third way. And fourth method is replace. So replace will take three elements: string and substring and new string. So here I am applying the replace function here. Select, replace. So first one is string I am taking, MySQL, comma. Second one is substring. So I want to get the substring. So what is substring here? M. M is my substring. So I want to get the M by using left function. What left will do inside MySQL? I am taking 1. So next I am taking empty space as result. See. So if you take the only left of MySQL, left of the string with one letter, so it will take M. It will take M. So here I am using the second argument in the replace function as left of MySQL one. That is, I want to replace first letter in the string, that is M. Instead of giving the M directly, I am taking. So by these four methods, you can remove the first letter from the any string. So this is how you need to answer by using these four string functions. You can get the desired output. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.